Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Kaine in Nier Replicant. Start by mastering her dual-wield combos and parry timing to maximize damage and survivability. Focus on flowing attacks, mixing light and heavy strikes while keeping movement active. Learn to read enemy tells to counterattack and swap skills for burst moments. Build gear that boosts strength and critical rate, and practice dodging to keep Kaine in the fight longer and more deadly. Develop a rhythm that blends aggression and defense to make Kaine excel in battles. Train switching between light and heavy attacks to create stagger windows and preserve stamina. Remember to time parries for big enemies to interrupt powerful moves and immediately punish. Rotate skill slots for specific fight types, and prioritize equipment that raises raw damage and critical chance to turn her mobility into reliable offense throughout the adventure. Select abilities that enhance Kaine's swift defense and amplify her burst potential in short encounters. Build towards strength and critical modifiers if you want lethal output, or balance defense for tougher fights that require staying power. Pair healing items or passive sustain when you need durability, while prioritizing skills that increase combo length or reduce cooldown. Experiment until you find a setup that matches your playstyle and the enemy roster you face.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.